Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. We're gonna need to do something about this rear suspension, man. I don't even have that much stuff in here, I don't think. Got a little dusting this morning, folks. This is what I was trying to avoid. PNP switch issues. I am now shifting my car in neutral just to crank it. Won't crank in park. Trying to clean the snow off my back window. I don't know if my rear defroster works or not. Front window covered with snow. That cleared off pretty good. 112, 12, 13. What's up, people? I am here with Lemonade. Lemonade has a couple of issues. One, I'm having no crank issues over and over again. Like today, I had to start it twice in neutral. Wouldn't even start in park. I also have not had reverse lights since I've owned the car. I've run a couple codes. I keep getting check engine light for a vacuum leak. I also get check engine light for PNP switch, I believe. So let me go ahead and scan it so we can see what codes is in there and get this PNP switch changed. I want to give a special shout out to IPD. They helped give me a great deal on this PNP switch. Man, they just, I guess, helped me sponsor getting Lemonade up and running and in good shape. So appreciate them. Support them if you can. Got my VST running. I'm going to go ahead and see if it finds anything. Transmission, establishing communication. Sometimes this thing doesn't connect with these things for some reason. Failure. I don't get it. Trying again. I can read codes out there under the hood. Yeah, I don't know if it's just because the car's 95 or what. Failed again. Wiggle the ignition key. Try this thing again. Failed. Let me see if I get any codes. Got to check engine light. There got to be some code in here. Two codes. EGR system. Front O2 sensor. Wow. Didn't know I had those codes. I'm going to erase them, see if they come back. Alright. See if there's anything else I could find in here to read the codes with. Monitor test. Alright, that's it. I'm going to go ahead and change the PNP because having problems with, I believe, the PNP switch. As you can see here with the ignition on and the car in reverse, I'm going to show you that I do not have any reverse lights. No reverse lights. So let's go ahead and get this PNP switch replaced. And you remember, you need to use your parking brake. If you don't have a parking brake, make sure you chalk your wheels because car will roll away once you unplug this PNP switch. So I'm going to go grab my wheel stops and chalk the wheels before I dig in here. Yuck, got some nasty stuff in here. Some bird pieces. I don't know, maybe something drug bird pieces up here. Gross. See my bolt to my back cable there? Just barely can see daylight out of that. So I'm going to put that back there. Take those out. Take this bolt out here. Lift this cable up and out of the way. Not sure what's going on here, but there looks like some kind of strange buildup on these top 5 pins. These other pins don't have it. Let me get something down there, release this locking latch, and pull this up and out of here. I watched my video. My video said to bolt both parts of the connector holder back down so you can slide this out. I didn't do that. I only bolted one down and broke it. Don't do that. Got the old one off, about to go on with the new one. Whoop, whoop. I can see the mark where the old one was. I'm gonna try to put the new one in the same position. I'm going with a professional parts one, a lot more affordable. Don't plan to have it in the car long. So, hey, it's got the new nut already on there. Nice. New nut and washer. Let's go ahead and put this down. Thank you, IPD. I got the 17 tight where the dipstick goes. I don't have this one tight, but I have the plug-in. But I'm going to go ahead inside and turn the key on, see if I get a reverse light. I'm going to switch that all the way over to park with a pair of pliers. Then I'm going to click it back, one click for reverse. See if I get reverse lights. I have the switch snug down, the plug-in, jump box on it. I turned it all the way clockwise to be in park, one click back to be in reverse, and look what I got. Turn the key on, of course. I got reverse lights, people. Whoop whoop. So I am adjusted properly. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this down and put this car back together. Back, I dropped the screw down there, went back there to get the screw, bumped one of these vacuum hoses, it snapped right off. Tried to put it on, it was snapped off. So I got some more boost hoses from IPD, baby! So I'm gonna cut a blue hose, put it on that boost control valve, and put this car back together. Thankfully, I got that. It's back on. Thank you, IPD. Help sponsoring me. We are cooking with grease. PNP replaced. 112224. Got reverse lights, fired up the first time, and drove right off. Head back to the hotel. Here we go, folks. Another moment of truth. Crank right up. We're going to see if we have any issues with shifting this morning. It's a cold one. It ain't really 24 degrees, but heck, it might be warming up fast. Yes, sir. We are winning with this new PNP switch. This car shifted the second gear faster than it has since I bought it. Yes, PNP switch problems. Intermittent, no crank, failing to shift first thing in the morning, no reverse lights, code, just weird things happen when that PNP switch goes bad. It's like the nervous system for your transmission. It's Jason's 3850s, looking like my 3 sons, the Platinum, the T5 sedan, and the T5 wagon. He's kind of considering selling this T5 sedan, man. That'd be a nice car for somebody once he gets rid of the ugly floor mats. Man, oh man, oh man. Me and Diane aren't even in the car yet. How low is low? If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.